And I'm back with another video. Yeah, still no intro. Wow, I missed parts of my face. Let's not. I saw Get Ready With Me and they had like skincare, so I was like, oh, I might as well include this in here because I don't want people to think that I have a dirty face, you know? And yeah, I still have no intro like how other people have intro. I have to come up with one, but I'm not really popping right now, so it's okay. My YouTube channel is like small, so it's okay not to have an intro yet. Just kidding. I'll come up with one someday. Okay, so now to the actual reason why to this video. Okay, so I took off my glasses. I'm gonna use my Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 spray, prime, set, and refresh. I guess we can prime my eyes. Don't they look scrumptious? The reason why I'm doing my makeup is because I'm going to my friend's wedding and I decided to wear this green dress. And my boyfriend, he's wearing maroon. I don't have anything maroon. He told me what he was wearing last night and I was like, I don't have anything maroon. So I just decided to wear that green dress. And what goes with green for eyeshadow? I don't want to wear literal green on my eyes. I'm not like Kermit the Frog. Okay, well, since I'm wearing a green dress, I guess I have to come up with a makeup look with my Jacqueline Hill palette and the 350 matte palette. ASMR. I think I mentioned in one of my videos that I like watching ASMRs. ASMRs are great. Literal life. They're life changing. Guess we could take this shade here and put it we could take this shade and put it all over my eyelid. We love when palettes don't come with mirrors. Love. I don't want you guys to be too far back because I'm a nice person and I want you guys to get VIP access. Oh, my palette looks disgusting. Just do a halo eye. We'll do a halo eye. We'll work on my halo eyes because they kind of look like trash and they kind of look scary every time I do it. So I'm back with my brushes. I kind of know what these brushes do. I kind of don't. I did separate my other brushes like foundation, concealer, blah, 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 only because that's what the website said. But I'm assuming these are eye brushes also because this is what the website said. I'm gonna take this shade. Hunts, I think. We're gonna take Hunts and apply it to my eye. I will tell you where it goes, but I don't really know myself, so we're just gonna apply. I guess it's above the crease. The girl don't know. She just puts it on her eyeballs and says she's doing something. Sorry, my camera was on my tripod awkwardly, so it was just like capturing more of my room than me. But back to what I was saying. Oh Lord, sorry, I literally just learned how to use my tripod and I've had it for like maybe a year. But what I was saying was that I've always watched YouTube videos, like makeup videos, but like I always kept telling myself, like, you know, I'm not talented enough to do what they're doing. Like, I can't blend. Like, this is literally like art, and like your girl has always failed at art. Okay, maybe not always failed, but like when it comes to like painting and stuff, it was just like 2 solid colors, no blending, done. And now I'm going in with my Morphe palette. Don't know the shade of this one, but as you can see, this is a pretty popular color out of this whole entire palette. So I'm gonna be taking these red shades right here and putting into my eye. So I think I'm gonna add some of this. I'm gonna add this gold color into my lid. It's really pretty. This is pretty much it for my look that I'm doing. I just have to fix my brows because they're bothering me, but this is the final look. And now it's time for me to get ready. Just kidding, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, rate, and subscribe, and tell me what you think of my makeup, and give me your makeup advice, because I still don't know what I'm doing. You don't have to, but if you want to, it is much appreciated. Thank you guys. Bye.